In the words of William Butler Yeats, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. To those who light that fire, the fire of curiosity, of hope, and of inspiration within all of us, we wish you a happy Teacher's Day. A very pleasant morning, Secretary General of Shikshatan Foundation and Sri Shikshatan School, Ms. Bhattacharya, Deputy Secretary General Mr. Agarwal, Principal Ms. Tandon, Headmistress Ms. Mukherjee, and of course, all the teachers present here. We, the students of Sri Shikshatan School, welcome you all to the grand celebration of the much-awaited Teachers' Day 2020.
Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, India's second president, believed that teachers should be the best minds in the country. As we all know, since 1962, his birthday has been celebrated in India as Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. In the words of Henry Adams, the American historian, teachers affect eternity. No one can tell where their influence stops.
Even though we might forget the words you utter, we will never forget how you make us feel. Teachers, you light a fire within us. You inspire us to be more than what we think we can be. And after hours of working tirelessly, after innumerable sleepless nights, after the incalculable sacrifices you make for us, you show up every day in the classroom with a smile. Whatever we are today, we are because of you.
So, we would like to take this opportunity and thank you all for everything that you do for us.
Life symbolizes knowledge, and knowledge is the everlasting wealth that is capable of removing ignorance. We begin today's program with the auspicious ceremony of the lighting of the lamp. May we request the teachers of Sri Shikshatan School to kindly light the lamp of knowledge.
Vishnu Gurudeva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai गुरवे नमः। ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ तच्चक्षुर्देवहितं पुरस्तात् शुक्रमुच्चरत् पश्येम शरदः शतात् जीवेम शरदः शतात् श्रीनुव्यार शरदः शतात् प्रभमाम सतामदिनाः शाम शरदः भूर्यश्च शरदः शतात्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
To commence the ceremony, we would like to invite our head girl, Koshiki Ghosh, to deliver the welcome address.
A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. A very good morning to respected Secretary General Ms. Bhattacharya, Deputy Secretary General Mr. Agarwal, Principal, Ms. Tandon, Headmistress Ms. Mukherjee, our dear teachers, and one and all present here. I wish all the teachers a very special and happy Teachers' Day on behalf of the entire student community. I deem it to be a great honor and privilege to propose the welcome address on this memorable occasion. We have gathered here today to celebrate this joyful occasion of Teachers' Day because we did not want to miss out on the opportunity of expressing our gratitude to our beloved teachers even under different circumstances. 5th September is an essential day in the life of a student. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of a great teacher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a staunch believer of education. The world, as we know, changed in the blink of an eye. The schools were closed overnight and we are confined to our homes. No matter the setting, virtual or in person, our teachers have continued to support us. Dear teachers, as we celebrate your special day today, we want to let you know that though we are naughty, we love you. We're at times disobedient, but you're always patient in guiding us. When we cry, you console us. When we are sad, you extend your hands to make us feel we are in the safe hands of a mother. When we stand alone, you are there by our side, encouraging us. Every smile on your face makes us feel we are in a care of a good mother. Every time you encourage us, we feel we are in the hands of a proud father. You gave meaning to our lives. You made us discover the best in us. You carved out an orator from an ordinary girl. You have made us realize the true value of life. Every word that you have spoken in the four walls of a classroom always carry your affection, your love for us, your dream for us. We love you, teachers, for inspiring and accepting us as your own, with all our limitations, with all our disabilities. We always feel and experience a gentle heart every time we approach you. And to my fellow peers, you are the shining stars who will make the day a memorable one for our teachers. It is our duty to make every teacher proud and make them feel we love them for what they are to us. On behalf of the entire student community, I, Kaushiki Ghosh, the head girl of Sri Shikshayan School, take immense joy in welcoming you all to this Teachers' Day celebration. May this day's function bring the best in us for our teachers who always give their best to us. Once again, I welcome you all to this joyful journey. Enjoy the cultural gala. Thank you.
That was indeed a heartfelt message from our head girl. We would now like to request Secretary General of Shikshayatan Foundation and Sri Shikshayatan School, Ms. Bhattacharya, to address the gathering.
Thank you. I hope I can be heard. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so
Yes,
much.
ma'am. You are audible.
Thank you, Kaushiki, for that beautiful welcome. And thanks to the anchors. You've been doing a great job. I'd like to thank Class 11 for organizing and everybody who's been associated with this. My dear teachers, I think I'm meeting you after a long time. I really, really miss you. So many days have passed by. I feel emotional. I have not met so many of you. I'm getting very emotional today. We don't get to see each other. So many days have passed by, and you have always remained beside us. This is a moment that we all need to treasure. We've been with one another, and you have been with us. You have come to this stage, and we know what you have gone through. I don't think my words will make so much of meaning, but whatever I feel from my heart. I feel for everything that you have done for us. Sorry for being emotional today. Maybe these are a few days, when you can express yourself. And maybe I'm lucky that I have people like you with us, who have always stood by. Whatever we have asked for, you have done it. Yesterday, Mrs. Tandon asked me that I would like to see this program, and I said yes. She gave me a time, and by the time I came back home, it was a little late, and I saw the teachers waiting, the students waiting for me. It was past 7:20. They waited for me for 20 minutes. I couldn't get through the connection. As you know, the internet has a problem. And then, we were seeing this program. This is so much to get from you. I don't know. I don't have enough thanks to offer you for whatever you've done. Well, sometimes we do not realize, how we work for others. Maybe sometimes we are harsh, sometimes we are soft, but it all depends on what situation one is going through. So maybe not intentionally, maybe unintentionally, at times you become difficult, but everything has an objective in life. And I have also gone through many phases of my life, as a child also. Some teachers have been immensely different. Some teachers have made a very good impact. Some teachers have not been making so much of impact, but yes, they have made an impact in a different way. But yes, at this age, I have realized one thing, that maybe they also had a reason to be different, which probably I realize today. And so everything, whatever they have been, I have been grateful to them, because Positive, negative, we learn. We learn from each and every person. Today is the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan, and we all know that he has given his birthday for all you teachers. So my tribute goes to him also. I feel happy, and so my gratitude will be said in this way. So, something in my youth or childhood, I must have done something good. Nothing comes from nothing, nothing ever could. So somewhere in my youth or childhood, I have done something good. Well, teachers, coming back to this, we all need to balance our life. And when I keep looking at our logo, and when I look at the logo, I feel it has a lot of meaning. And I was looking at the logo and I saw that, I'm not only talking about the Sri Shikshayatan school logo, but I'm talking about all our sisters and brothers logo also. And every logo has a round. It doesn't have any corners. So this round tells us that, life is a cycle and we need to balance our life. I also thought of, some of these elements of a life. What are they? Space. I think space is something that we need to give to each other. Space, air, and everything that you see, that color is part of our logo. That green color, that blue color, that yellow color, red, white, everything is there. So whether I talk about space, I talk about air, I talk about fire, I talk about water or the earth, everything is part of our logo. And it tells us that we need to balance. If we do not balance our life, then we have Amphan. And Amphan destroys everything. So keeping a balance is so very important. So what I've done is that, I have put everything together and I had this for you. Be gentle like the water, be graceful like the air, be grounded like the earth, be gorgeous like the fire, be always giving that unlimited space to create a balance, which will be a source of existence, which is filled with greatness. So teachers, I like to end with a song because I think I always sing on Children's Day and I don't sing for you teachers. I have 2 lines for you from Tagore and I sing this song for some people who are very, very special and all of you are so very special to me. Ni Robi, ni Robi, হৃদয় মম তুমি রবে নীরবে নিবিড় নিভৃত পূর্ণিমা নিশীথিনী সম তুমি রবে নীরবে. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your day. And all the best to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivating words.
Although we could not meet in person today, we can still look back to the days when we did. So let's take a trip down the memory lane, remembering all the celebrations and the good times we had together.
Now, we would like to request our principal, Ms. Tandon, to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you, Sakshi. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पान बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो दुखान. A very happy Teachers' Day to my teachers of Sri Shikshatan School. And why did I recite this Doha? Because India has a very rich culture. And this culture states that the position of teachers has always been held very high. Even the kings would bow at the feet of teachers. Are you aware that in India, we started celebrating Teachers' Day in 1962, but world over on 5th of October 1994, which means we really treasure our teachers and we believe in them. We know it is not an easy task. In fact, when in the month of March, pandemic struck, and all of you were asked to go online, it was not an easy task. It was not a smooth transition initially, but thereafter in April, you were actually going ahead just fine. So many workshops you have attended, online classes, modules to be prepared, working till late night, annual day, investiture ceremony, Teachers' Day, and so many inter-house competitions, workshops, guiding children. You have been there throughout, and we know household chores were also there. But still, you went on. You touched the lives of so many. And they say teaching is the act of optimism, the highest act, in fact. Why? Because you give hope, you give dreams, aspirations, you tell students to believe in themselves. In fact, a very interesting incident comes to my mind, and it happened a couple of years ago. So it was late evening, and I had gone out for dinner to a restaurant, one of the restaurants in Park Street. And a little away from my table was a group of men, perhaps in their late 40s, seated. And they were quite loud and boisterous, so they could be overheard. And are you aware in those 2 hours what they discussed? No, they did not discuss the politics. They were not discussing the economy of India. They were discussing the school and the teachers in very glowing terms. And I thought to myself, even after 25 or 30 years, the way they are discussing, as if they are still in school. And that is the impact, teachers, you have on your students. I would just like to tell you that have faith in yourself, be happy, spread happiness all around you, because you're able to influence so many of you. And today these children have prepared such a lovely program for all of you. So we need to thank them all too. Stay happy, stay calm. I know sometimes going is difficult. Do not keep on questioning why this profession. It is a very noble profession. And with that, I end my address to you today with the hope that we'll keep on going, we'll keep on moving ahead the way we are going. And today the school is because of your contribution, immense contribution. So I thank not just you, the teachers who have worked with us here, the teachers who have always been there through thick and thin with us. Thank you so much. A very happy Teachers' Day once again. And thank you, students, for this lovely program. We look forward to your presentations. It's over to you, Sakshi.
Thank you, ma'am. Teachers give us education, and the relationship between education and culture is divine. It is culture upon which education exerts a nourishing influence. So, we present to you the performances of the bright young students of the junior section of Sri Shikshatan School about the depths and the beauty of our culture. The students will be presenting a song, a speech, and a piece of poetry.
birthday of former President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We celebrate this day as Teachers' Day. I am Tamalika Dotto from Class 4C. On this special day, I honored all of my teachers. My parents gave me life, and it was you who taught me how to live it. You introduced honesty, integrity, and passion to my character. You are a blessing in my life. Thank you so much for brightening my day with your beautiful smile. In this pandemic situation, you did not leave us. You taught us the same as before through the online platform. I promise you that I will never let you down. On this special day, I wish you all the best and good health. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. Thank you.
শিক্ষক দিবসে আমি আমার সকল শিক্ষক এবং শিক্ষিকাদের সশ্রদ্ধ প্রণাম জানাই। নমস্কার। আজ আমার কবিতা পাখির মতো কবি আল মাহমুদ। আম্মা বলেন পড়রে শোনা, আব্বা বলেন মন দে। পাঠে আমার মন বসে না কাঁঠাল চাপার গন্ধে। আমার কেবল ইচ্ছে জাগে নদীর কাছে থাকতে, বকুল ডালে লুকিয়ে থেকে পাখির মতো ডাকতে। সবাই যখন ঘুমিয়ে পড়ে কর্ণফুলীর কুলটায়, দুধ ভরা ওই চাঁদের বাটি ফেরেশতারা উল্টায়। তখন কেবল ডাকতে থাকি কেমন করে উড়বো, কেমন করে শহর ছেড়ে সবুজ গায়ে ঘুরবো। তোমরা যখন শিখছো পড়া মানুষ হবার জন্য, আমি না হয় পাখি হব, পাখির মতো বন্য। ধন্যবাদ।
occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of teachers who mold the students into future leaders. This day is known as the Teachers' Day, which is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second president of independent India, who himself was a teacher and a great philosopher. We celebrate this day every year to honor and appreciate the contribution of our teachers in various fields. It is the day to express gratitude and respect to the teachers who selflessly work to build the future of the students. I, Omisha Chakraborty, on behalf of my dear friends, wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
To quote the revolutionary musician of the 1960s, Jimi Hendrix, music doesn't lie. If there is something to be changed in this world, then it can only happen through music. And what better way to start today's program than with a conglomeration of musical renditions? Presenting a euphonious presentation of songs by the students of Sri Shikshatan School Senior Section.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher.
You are one in a million, a scholarly treasure. Being part of your class is a genuine pleasure. The knowledge you shared is indeed beyond measure, which is why, our dear teachers, we are grateful forever.
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं, अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं। डांटे और डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार छलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। डांटे और डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार छलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything.
That was indeed a breathtaking performance.
Down is the impeccable amalgamation of poise, rhythm, expression, and grace. Dear teachers, get ready for a mesmerizing dance performance by your very own students.
dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na o dani der der tani tana dere na o dani der der tani tana dere na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dani dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na o dani der der tani tana dere na o dani der der tani tana dere na Derdinna, o dani dirda.
ऊंची ऊंची डोरियों पे बांधो रे घाघर पर ना माने ना गाना माने ना जग जो बिछाए हर जाल काट ले मक्खन चुराए हर माल छाट ले मुरली से करे ऐसी टिक 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 पन घट की है बड़ी पन घट की है बड़ी कठिन डगर पर ना माने ना गाना माने ना रोके मोहे टोके मोहे काटे रे डगर मोरे यमुना के तट की लाज नाही काज नाही मारे जो कंकरिया तो फूटे मोरे माटे की बात चतुर भर मारे देव जाने हर जाने जो भी करे सब क्विक 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 कहूँ मैं पिया जी थोड़ा कर लो सबर पर माने ना
That was enthralling, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Beauty is something which can't be expressed lightly. But with poetry, beauty is expressed through words. Hence, we will now present a beautiful piece of poetry in Hindi by a student of the senior section.
शिक्षक दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं माधुरी हरलाल का श्री शिक्षा यतन स्कूल की सभी छात्राओं की ओर से अपनी प्यारी शिक्षकों अपने मन के उद्गार व्यक्त करते हुए एक कविता की आवृत्ति प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है शिक्षक दिवस है पर्व सुनहरा। है आज बहुत हर्षित मन मेरा, शिक्षक दिवस है पर्व सुनहरा। इस पुलकित पावन अवसर पर वंदन करता है मन मेरा। आपकी महिमा, आपका गौरव, आपका चिंतन, आपका ज्ञान, आपके ही उपदेश वचन करते हैं सबका कल्याण। हे शिक्षक, हे गुरु, आपकी गरिमा का क्या बखान करे, आपकी गरिमा का क्या बखान करे, आपके गौरव का कैसे गुणगान करे। डरती है जुबां मेरी कहीं कोई यह ना भूल करे। आपने ही सतधर्म बताए, नैतिक मूल्यों का ज्ञान कराया, दर्शन का दृष्टा बनाकर आत्मा परमात्मा का मिलन कराया। संस्कृत के संस्कार बताए और भाषा का ज्ञान सिखाया। अपनी अनुपम शिक्षा पद्धति से ज्ञान अमृत हम सबको पिलाया। हे गुरुजन, आपको हृदय से वंदन। इस पुलकित पावन अवसर पर पुनः पुनः सहस्र नमन, पुनः पुनः सहस्र नमन।
We, as students, might never be able to put into words what you all mean to us. However, that doesn't keep us from trying to express the depths of our emotions and feelings for our teachers.
Here's a humble effort towards that, a presentation by the students of the senior section.
is your day, and we would like to thank you. How did you do in the past because what you are doing now is contributing to this country. You're making a memorable contribution to the benefit of your city.
Putting your needs on hold and making us the focus of your day.
For changing those plans because they didn't fit someone who needed a little extra.
For smiling, laughing with us, and reassuring our efforts, trials, and mistakes.
For placing your hand on a shoulder that was exactly what someone needed.
For thinking a new way to reach for someone who wasn't getting it.
We're extremely grateful for all the things that you do.
We appreciate and acknowledge as we look through your view.
Sometimes we don't listen while you repeatedly explain.
For sometimes when our dogs eat our homework sheet.
For when we couldn't decide for our homework because it got soaked in the rain.
For when our worksheets get lost and our papers are stuck together with a big glob of glue.
For when our mics stop working and we cannot switch on our cameras for the network is erratic.
We are sorry for our insincerity and for causing you pain.
We thank you for being patient throughout.
We thank you for emboldening our art.
We thank you for your helping hand.
For your warm and tender heart.
You wiped away many tears.
And even calmed many fears.
You have touched us all.
You gave us love without a second thought.
You gave us the love of a real home.
You held us tight whenever a tear would fall. You gave us the courage to walk alone.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers. With that, we finally conclude today's program. We would now like to request our headmistress, Ms. Poshali Mukherjee, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
It's afternoon, so good afternoon, Secretary General Ma'am, Mr. Agarwal, Principal Ma'am, and all the lovely teachers, and not to forget the wonderful presentation that you've done, students. Thank you so much. But it is a special day for teachers, so I would just like to talk to them and tell them that someone once said that the robot will come and replace a teacher. And today, when our Secretary General Ma'am became emotional, I'm sure you all had a drop of tear rolling down your cheeks. And you realized that nobody in the world will ever be able to replace this position, this noble place that you have taken in the hearts of these wonderful students and the wonderful presentation that they have learned because they have lived their lives with you. And the growing years, the tender hearts, the lives that you have touched. What a beautiful presentation, and thank you, students. When I was watching you, I could just go back and remember those days when you were little ones walking into the school, so lost, sometimes so very naughty, and you have blossomed into such beautiful flowers, I can say. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, and I pray to God that you live long to teach the students the right path to follow, the values. And it is very important, like they are saying in the National Education Policy, that skill, 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 and skill is the only word. I think life skill is the only word that we need to know. Teachers, you have been examples of life skill development and how well you have lived in this pandemic, how much you have taught your children, how well you have trained yourselves up before you held their hands. So you have proved that you are the best custodians of knowledge, the curators of information, and of course, the perfect hands where parents can entrust their treasures. So thank you all, and a special note to all the COVID warriors who have come back. We prayed and prayed and prayed for you. And in this difficult time, we have learned that it is so very important to stay in touch. And it is not difficult to stay in touch even if it is virtual. So dear teachers, don't feel sad. It is our day. Let us all be very happy that we are still here, sticking and alive. Stay healthy, stay well, stay safe, and we will meet very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Although we would have been much elated if we could perform in the school auditorium with your pleasant, smiling faces and your encouraging applause, nevertheless, we sincerely hope we could reach out to you and extend our heartfelt gratitude towards all of you, just as you all have been reaching out to us, even in these trying times. Once again, thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers. We would now like to request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. Thanks for the beautiful presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you. With that, we come to the end of the program. All of you may leave this program, this meeting.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 All the
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.